Hey guys, this is Revel and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'll be showing you my simple 1Y Tileable automatic brewing system, which is basically this thing in front of me right here. So this design uses one main ingredient for each brewing stand. So you have your nether wart in your first brewing stand, then you have your main ingredient. I'll be using magma cream in your second brewing stand. You can have redstone or glowstone in your third brewing stand, gunpowder in your fourth one if you want to make splash potions, and optionally you can have fermented spider eye in case you want to invert your potions. But today I'll be making splash potions of fire resistance that are extended. So basically the design has a bunch of water bottles in the top chest, and they go through every single brewing stand and they get brewed with the ingredient in that brewing stand. So at the end you have your finished product in the output chests down there. And the redstone for this system is actually fairly simple. It's just a single torch tower that controls the hoppers beneath the brewing stands. So as you can see, every other hopper is being powered right now, and the brewing stands above those hoppers are the ones that actually have the potions that get brewed into them. So if I toggle the torch tower, then the potions will basically move down to the next brewing stand, and the brewing for that ingredient into the potions will start. So you had in this chest before, in this brewing stand before, you had awkward potions, and now those awkward potions are being brewed into fire resistance potions. And once the brewing is done, that takes about 20 seconds. The system will basically toggle the torch tower again, and the process starts over again. So you can have every one batch of potions brewed every 50 seconds or so. That's about the time it takes for the potions to go down to the output chests. And you can automate this using a hopper timer over here. So we have this set to around 25 seconds, and that's just enough time for the potions to finish brewing and go down to the next brewing stand. And that's about 52 items in the hopper timer. So right now it's disabled, but I can just enable it as we're going on through the rest of the video, and you'll see that the potions get brewed automatically in the background. So a few advantages of this system over some of the other ones on the internet are basically due to the staircase system I've been using. So one big advantage is since only water bottles are the ones that are going through the brewing stands, and the main ingredients are actually fixed in the brewing stands, then you won't have any problems if you run out of water bottles. Because if you just run out of water bottles in the main chest, then nothing will happen. Like there's nothing moving through the brewing stands, so the hopper timer will just harmlessly filter back and forth, and that'll just be it. And another great feature is this comparator here, which allows you to automatically lock the system if your storage gets too full. So pretend that this hopper is basically full, so you don't have any more space in your storage. Then if there's any more items going into this hopper, then this comparator will activate and it will disable the entire torch tower above. So unless you take out items from your storage space, or unless you add new chests to your storage space, the entire system will completely block. So we'll see that right here. You have these three potions down here that basically have nowhere else to go, and this will activate the comparator here, and it will just disable everything in front of it. So yeah, after this potion gets finished brewing, then even though the hopper timer toggled, the entire system is still locked, and no matter what you do to change the torch tower, nothing else will happen, essentially. And of course, this system is also 1Y Tileable, so you can have another system brewing a different potion right beside it. So let me just simulate that with this clone command block. And you can even use the same hopper timer to control all of the systems. So you only need to have one hopper timer to control all the systems that you need to do. So you can have, for example, a night vision potion in this column and say a strength potion in this column, and it would work just perfectly fine. So if you want to build this in your worlds, then all you need to do is copy this, take a screenshot I guess, and just build it in your world. And the only thing that's important to remember is that this repeater that's diagonally below the first brewing stand has to be set to 2 ticks, and this repeater up here has to be set to 1 tick, and that's because you don't want the water bottles from this input chest going through the brewing stand before being brewed into the next one. And if you didn't have that, then that problem would happen. And of course your hopper timer is just the standard hopper timer, and you have your sticky pistons that pull powered block, and you'll need 52 items in the hopper timer. So yeah, that's my automatic brewing system, and if you liked it, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.